Hi friends, welcome back. Today we are going to beach. This is our last day of our trip to California. So before taking our flight, we decided to spend some time on beach. It's early morning, so it's not that busy. Later in this video, I'm also including basic beach essentials, which was due for so long, so I thought why not to include in this video. And by the time, enjoy the beach with us.
The rain got in my eye.
I don't know what is about it, but I love this sound. Give me a thumbs up if you guys love it too. Now moving on to our beach essentials. This is what I like to pack with my kids, and also everybody is different. So in my beach bag goes hats, sunglasses, hand sanitizer, then hands and face wipes. Next is sunscreen. Even I like to use this one. Then sunscreen spray. This is just easy to use on kids' hands and legs. Change of clothes, a plastic bag for wet clothes, towel, and few beach toys. These don't really go in my bag, but still they are essential for my kids, so I'm counting it here. So there you have it, beach essentials or beach bag essentials. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload. See you next time. Till then, bye.